I am Assistant Professor Sriraj Suresh Kaur from Sarath College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to learn MCQs on NET Set Commerce Paper 2. So let's start. First question, GDP add factor cost is option A P plus P, option B GDP minus IT minus S, option C GDP plus DT plus S, option D GDP minus DT plus S. Right option is option B GDP minus IT minus S. Next question, which one is not the main objective of fiscal policy of India? Option A to increase liquidity in the economy. Option B to promote price stability. Option C to minimize the inequality of income and wealth. Option D to promote employment opportunities. So right answer is option A to increase liquidity in the economy. This is not the main function of fiscal policy of India. Which one is not an element of internal environment? Option A marketing capability, option B operational capability, option C money and capital market, option D personal capabilities. Right answer is option C money and capital market. Out of the following, which four benefits are available to host countries from multinational companies? First, transfer of technology. Second, learning of business mannerism. Third, strategic information sharing. Fourth, creation of jobs. Fifth, entertainment. Sixth, better utilization of resources. Sixth, enhancing social contracts. And last one is improved competition in local economy. So out of this 8 option, right answer is C. Option first, transfer of technology. Option 4, creation of job. Option 6, better utilization of resources. And option 8, improved competition in local economy. Next question, environmental degradation does not consist of option A land degradation and soil erosion, option B problem of overgrazing and ecological degradation, floods, and last is none of the above. So right answer is none of the above. Which one of the following concept is used as fund in the preparation of fund flow statement? Option A current assets, option B working capital, option C cash, option D all financial resources. Right answer is option D. All financial resources are treated as fund in preparation of fund flow statements. Window dressing is prohibited due to option A conservation of convention, convention of disclosure, convention of materiality, and D arrears of book accounts. So right answer is option B convention of disclosure is related with window dressing. Assertion, the ratio analysis is one the tool employed to know the financial health of concern. The reason, ratio analysis is not the only technique available to take investment decision. So option A, both are true and R is correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true but R is incorrect explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false. And option D, A is false but R is true. Right answer is option A because both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, which of the following relate to measures of non-financial performance of concern? First option, customer satisfaction. Second is business process improvement. Third is learning organization. So out of these three, right answer is D, that is first, second and fourth option. Next question, consider the following parties: secured creditors, unsecured creditors, partners, who have granted loans, partners who have contributed over and above profit sharing ratio. So arrange them in the correct sequence in the event of dissolution of the firm. So right answer is B, that is first secured creditors, then second is unsecured, then partners have granted loans, and last is contribution over and above the profit sharing ratio. Next question, which kind of economics explain the phenomenon of cause and effect relationship? So normative, positive, micro or macro. So right answer is B, that is positive. Next question, marginal cost and differential cost do not convey the same meaning in all the circumstances. Reason, differential cost increase or decrease due to change in the fixed cost. So out of these four, right answer is C because A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Consider the following: first, pricing objectives; second, pricing methods; third, pricing strategies; fourth, pricing decision. Out of these four, right answer is option B, that is first pricing objective, then pricing decision, then pricing strategies, then pricing methods. A commodity is used for multiple purposes and then the demand for it is known as joint demand, composite demand, direct demand, and autonomous demand. So right answer is composite demand. Match the following: administered price, party pricing, competitive price, discriminating price. In the list 2, landed cost of imports, liberalized economy, public enterprises fixed by the government. Right answer is B, that is 2, 3, 4, 1. This is proper matching. Sample design involves the following. So sampling unit, size of samples, types of universe, and sampling procedures. So which one of the following sequence is correct? So correct sequence is 3, 1, 4, 2 and 5. Which one of the following is not a measure of dispersion? So first is quartile, next is range, third one is mean deviation, and fourth one is standard deviation. So right answer is first one, quartile. Next question, the match the following. So in group first, the principle of management, philosophy of management, scientific management, and general industrial administration. In second group, Henry Fayol, F. W. Taylor, Oliver Seldon, Peter F. Drucker. So right answer is B, that is 4 for A, 4, B 3, C 2 and D 1. All decisions taken through mental process are rational. Reason, decision making is mental process. So right answer is A. So R is correct but A is not correct. Who among the following developed the techniques of management by exception? So Joseph Massey, Laster R. Bittel, L.F. Urwick and Peter Drucker. The right answer is option B, Lester R. Bittel. Which among the following are parts of job description? So duty performed, job summary, job identification, supervision given and delegation of authority. So right answer is first A, that is first, second, third and fourth. So duty performed, then job summary, then third one job identification and fourth one supervision given. Appointment of independent director is the part of corporate governance as per the SEBI. Next option, Indian Companies Act, C Government of India and D RBI. Right answer is Security Exchange Board of India, option A. The method for achieving maximum market response from the limited marketing resources by reorganizing differences in the response characteristics of various parts of the market is known as option A market targeting, option B market positioning, option C market segmentation, option D market strategy. Right answer is market segmentation. Who plays their significant role in distribution of goods, then they do not sell to ultimate users or consumers. Option A retailer, option B wholesaler, option C mediator, option D commission agent. Right answer is option B wholesaler. In marketing mix, which four P's are covered? So option A product price place promotion, option B product price power promotion, option C product price penetration promotion, option D product price positioning promotion. Right answer is option A product price place promotion. Thank you.